Something happened last night during the game between Benfica and Real Madrid. It's something that should have no place in modern football. In fact, in our everyday living, such a thing should have no place. Uttering racial slur to a fellow professional footballer on the pitch, on your turf, it's despicable, it stands condemnable. 20 years old Gianluca Prestini apparently felt unhappy and unease the way Vinicius Jr. celebrated when he scored at the 50th minute. He went to the corner flag and, echoing memories of the famous Roger Miller, he danced in a way that many deemed provocative to the host fans. And as a result, he pulled off his shirt over his mouth and, in what can be deemed an act of cowardice, uttered the word monkey, a racial slur, towards the goal scorer, Vinicius Jr. This has been confirmed by the Madrid star, Kylian Mbappe. He said, I heard him. He said it 5 times. And you can actually see that Gianluca Prestini said this because immediately Vini started running towards the referee. He raised up his hand. He raised up his hands and, like in a flash of regret, started, oh no, this kind, you could see it that he started regretting his action already. But what is even more painful is the fact that his manager, Jose Mourinho, tried or made an attempt to justify the dastardly act by this little kid. Mourinho said, just to paraphrase him, that the most iconic player in Benfica's history is a black man, making reference to Eusebio. But that is besides the fact. That is not the issue at hand. The issue at hand is the fact that a racial slur was made towards a player who, in my opinion, had done absolutely nothing wrong. You cannot tell a player how to celebrate, particularly if he is not being physically abusive, if he is not uttering words that are against the protocol or against the rules of the game. He was not. According to Mourinho, you have scored a beautiful goal. Get on with it. No, Mourinho of all people is the emblem, is the harbinger, is the architect of winding up opponents. I understand they've constituted a panel of investigators to look at the matter. I think this boy must be investigated, and if found guilty, if found culpable, should be dealt with